Hi friends, welcome back to Sweetie Sisters Multi-Talented YouTube channel. Today I will show you the most famous food in South India. It was very superb and tasty food that we can eat in the breakfast and like lunch and dinner also. It was very tasty and super easy recipe. So let's start. I have taken 250 grams of urad dal. Please take it in a large container so that when it is soaked it will become bigger, no? So that time the utensil, the vessel will be sufficient for this. Add some water and wash it for 2 times. After washing, please strain the water. So after washing 2 times, again add some water for soaking the urad dal. And after adding some water, please soak for 4 to 6 hours. And take another large container and add 1 kg of idli rava. This rava will get in the stores also. It's a very easy recipe. So I am taking 1 kg idli rava. For 250 grams urad dal, take 1 kg of idli rava. See, and add some water into this. Please add so much water so that when it is soaked it will become large size, no? That time this water is sufficient for this. And take it in a large container only and soak this rava for 2 hours. After 6 hours the urad dal is soaked. When I am pressing, it was becoming 2 parts. Yes, see, it was soaked perfectly. Now it's time to grind the urad dal. Take a grinder and add this urad dal into it and grind it. It should become very soft and smooth batter. Or you can add in the mixie jar also, but maximum use the grinder because when using this we will get smooth and good texture of this batter. See this batter looking so beautiful. It was very soft and thick texture. While grinding, add some water. Don't add more water, please, little amount of water. And take it into a large container and take idli rava once washed and please avoid water. Strain the water away and add that rava into this batter. See how my mother is straining this whole water like that. Have to strain all the water and add into this batter. After adding this rava into batter, add sufficient salt to taste. And after adding sufficient salt to this batter, please mix whole the batter. Mix this salt and rava batter together. You can mix with a hand or whisker, some beater also. Please mix up to bottom so that whole batter should be evenly salted and tasted. Rava also mixed into this. See, the batter was so softy and neat. And take idli racks. I am oiling these idli racks, or you can add butter paper also. You can place avoiding oil. You can add some ghee, butter also. Apply it for the idli racks to get idli evenly and smoothly. Now take this idli batter and add into this idli racks molds. I am taking 4 racks. So add evenly to these idli racks. The batter should be add evenly. So I'm adding the batter whole to all the racks. Keep it in mind, we should add evenly the batter, otherwise our idli will be one smaller one or one larger one. So be careful, add evenly. And by applying this oil, we will get this idli very neatly and perfectly shaped. And the idli rack, when we mold it, take an idli rack and add some water into this. I am adding 2 cups of water or 1 glass of water, and place these racks into that vessel and close the vessel and keep the cooker in the stove. In the high flame we can keep, or in the low flame also, but keep in mind we should keep maximum high flame only. After half an hour, the idli was cooked perfectly. Once we check with a knife or a toothpick, see, nothing was sticked into our knife. So this idli was perfectly and cooked. See, no rava was sticking into this knife. That means our idli was perfectly cooked. Now I am taking the idli out. See, the idli was not stick to this pan racks. It was coming very easily to demold it. I am taking to a plate. See, the idli was so soft, and also we can take this idli with a spoon and hand also. Now I am showing this idli. It was so tasty, and when I am tasting this, see, the idli was so soft and perfectly it was came. See, I am breaking this idli into parts. See, when I am breaking it, it was coming so softly and good texture in this. See, when I am breaking this idli, the idli was so soft. And the better combination of this idli was coconut chutney, tomato chutney, and ginger chutney also. So better combination for this. That was the best combination for this idli. It tastes like superb and superb. If you like this video,